Hi everyone, this is Francisco, and in this video I wanted to actually create the United States flag. Yes, I just said create. It's a new idea for 2023, April 26th. And I want to create this in code. Okay? HTML. Fully flexible. Developer's language. Responsive. So here we have like a div. Then we are going to break it down where each row where the stars are aligned with the stripe. First the red one, then the white one, then the red one, then the white one, then the red one, then the white one, then the red one. Okay? So this will be its like own div floating left, I believe, with the background of the blue, navy blue, and within that is centered bottom aligned 5-pointed star. The same will be true for the next one, and the next one, and the next one, and the next one, and the next one. Then we will add another div to create the stripe, which will be a rectangle. Then there will be like a breakpoint, and then there will be a div with no star. It will be broken off with no star. It would just be a solid navy blue div box, no outline. The same with everything else, no outline. And then right here we will have, wow, I just noticed this. So going back to the top, it will be actually the star, and then the div with the star, bottom centered aligned, and then the next one will be a div with no 5-pointed star, bottom line centered. Without that, it would just be the background navy blue, and we'll repeat that. We will repeat that over and over and over, and then we'll get the red, and then going to the white, it will be a div, navy blue background. The next one will be the navy blue background with the 5-pointed star, centered, bottom center aligned, and then there will be another div without the star, another div with the star, another div without the star, another div with the star, another div without the star, another div with the star, another div without the star, another div with the star, another div without the star, and then we'll have another div with a vertical line. Then there will be a breaking point, and there's different ways to write this code. So, and I know that Apple has their own text, which is a icon. Okay, there's a lot of emojis. They have the flag emojis. If you guys just type in USA, it comes up a little United States flag. Okay, but it doesn't have all the detail. It doesn't have all of the stars within it. Okay, so this is professional code. Like I said, it's going to be fully responsive on any device. And then obviously when we get down here and we finish this bottom row, we're going to jump to this one, and then this is going to be a div by itself, this white line all the way over here. And we can create different ones for people to copy the code. We can have an outer outline on the entire flag, which is the outer, which is the div, which has all of this code within. So technically, on the front end, you guys will see something like this, and it'll have an outline or no outline, and or you can specify what outline you guys want it to have by selecting random colors, the colors of the rainbow, basic colors, which I don't even need to mention because you guys know the rainbow colors. That or even you guys can select your own color, or select like drag an image or something of your business colors. Like let's say you have a website and your footer, you want the, I don't know, like you want a specific color for whatever reason, then you guys will be able to do that. But nevertheless, it will be nothing but code. Do you guys follow? Very simple code, and obviously, I mean, if you guys really examine it, we have the last div on the first row that has a margin right there. You see, because over here it seems like this margin over here is not the same as this margin over here where the stripes are, but if they are equal, margins, then you guys can write the code that way. I guess that the best way to figure this out will be to go to United States flag Wikipedia, and here we have a United States flag, and honestly, I mean, I'm looking at this picture here, and it looks like the margin is the same on this side as it is this side. Okay, from the stars right there, it should be the same over here. And in this printout, it looks like some of that blue was removed. The same is true for the top and the bottom. So at the end of the day, you guys will be able to share the United States flag in digital formats using HTML code, along with CSS, the programming languages, but it's been a while since I used W3 Schools HTML, and let's navigate to colors. HTML colors. So we might not even have to use background color. Okay, so yeah, so we might be able to get away with not even using any type of CSS. This will be entirely HTML, because within this W3 Schools, I think that we can get icons, but let me see, HTML icons, 5-pointed star, and heavy. This is heavy 5-pointed black star. The reference number looks like it's U+1 F7CA. It's called. This is the technical information. Symbol 5-pointed star. Name heavy 5-pointed black star. Unicode number. The Unicode number, which I already stated, U+1 F7CA. It doesn't have any category. And then there's encoding, and then the source code, and then there's different font size So I don't really know about the font size and how that will work. And then there's the symbol in different fonts. But obviously we want well, and then this one here is like, it's not even the true star, the true five-pointed star. So I don't know how the font size for the star will be. So I think that we will have to use CSS so we can specify else if statements, especially if the width is small on a cell phone, vertical viewing as opposed to horizontal viewing. Obviously the flag will fill the phone screen, and then if we are talking about like a laptop, which I'm using to record this video, then it will resize and be responsive according to any screen, any screen, dual screen, you name it, big screen, advertising, billboards, digital billboards, whatever the case may be. Okay, you name it. But other than that, that's how simple it is. The United States flag can be created with raw HTML code. Again, today is April 26th, 2023. It is 10:44 p.m. God bless you all and have a great day. God bless America.